Say you're renting in an inner city suburb. It's trendy, close to your work, and a great place to live. But if you want to invest in a home here, it's too expensive. So what do? Rentvesting might be the right strategy. Rentvesting is where you rent where you want to live and buy where you can afford. The great news? It lets you have the lifestyle you want now while also building equity with your investment property elsewhere. And you won't be stuck with a gigantic mortgage debt. The downside? It's a complicated strategy and you need to be very organized. Being a renter and a landlord at the same time is tough. On one hand, you can't set up your rental home exactly the way you want. On the other hand, you have to find tenants for your investment property and cover maintenance costs. Plus, you can't take advantage of first home buyer grants or concessions. So, is rentvesting the way to go? It might be the best chance for first-time buyers in a tough market, but you need to make an informed, careful decision. You can't just roll the dice on this one. Learn about property investment, finance, and more at Finder.